So very good evening to Puan Putri Brosda. So today we are going to present for problem-based exercise 3 for human-computer interaction, which is DFP 30033. So my name is Sajya Rao Analaki Kumar Rao, and my metric number is 01DDT20F1105.
Okay, my name is Vimal Raj Kisalojo and my matrix number is 01DDT20F1096.
Okay, right. So the question for this problem-based exercise 3, which is there will be two platforms. We have to choose one of the platform. Then we have to give five exam or five how to say 5 points of Nelson 10 heuristic, then with a description, then the strength and the weakness about the particular website. So we chosen the chosen website, which is platform B, which is the Honda Global Mobility.com, this one. Right. So before that, I'm going to explain what is the Nelson 10 heuristic. Okay, the Jacob Nelson 10 general principle for interaction design. They are called the heuristic because they are broad rule of thumb and not specific usability guidelines. So these are the principle. There are 10 of them with the description. So our first principle are visibility of system status. The system should always keep the user informed about what is going on through appropriate feedback within the reasonable time. Second, which is match between system and the real world. The system should speak the user language with words, phrase, and concept familiar to the user rather than the system-oriented term. Follow real-world convention, making information appear in natural and logical order. The third, which is user control freedom. User often choose system function by mistake and will need a clear mark emergency exit to leave the unwanted state without having to go through an extended dialogue, support, undo, and redo. So the fourth one, which is consistent and standard. So users should not have to wonder whether the different words, situation, or action means the same thing. Follow platform conversion. The fifth one is error prevention. Even better than good error message is a careful design which prevent a problem from occurring in the first place. Either eliminate error prone condition or check for them and present user with a confirmation option before they are commit to the action. Next, we move over to present.
Okay, the fifth one is sixth one is recognition rather than recall. Minimize the user's memory load by making object action and options visible. The user should not have to remember information from one part of the dialogue to another. The instruction for use of the system should be visible or easily retrievable whenever appropriate. And the seventh one is flexibility and efficiency of use. Accelerators unseen by noise user by often speed up an interaction for the expert user such that the system can be cater to both in experience and experienced users. Allow users to tailor frequent actions. It is an aesthetic and a minimalist design. Dialogue should be not contain information it is irrelevant or rarely needed. Every extra unit of information in a dialogue competes with the relevant units of information and in minimis their relative visibility. Help user number 9 is help users recognize and diagnose and recover from errors. Error message should be expressed in a plain language bracket no quotes uh, fixedly precisely indicates the problem and constructively suggest a solution. And the third one is help and documentation. Even though is better if the system can be used without documentation. It is maybe necessary to provide help and documentation. Any such information should be easy to search, focus on the user's task, list concrete steps to be carried out, and not be too large.
Right, next one you're going to see the 5 heuristic that we choose for that particular website. So we're going to start with it.
Okay, the first one is the consistency and the standards. Strength. It is a strength for this one of the principle because consistency is the key of all the font and the color are matched as their logo. Second is recognition rather than the recall. Strength. The menu interface allow users to find what they want easily. The menu interface is provided by the website. The organized menu interface design will be allow users to minimize their memory load. They can find what they want by recognizing rather than memorizing. In this website, we can observe that the website builder designed a menu interface at the bottom of the website at, at attempting to help users to navigate the content of the website more easily. Okay, the third one is aesthetic and minimalized design. Strength. Remove all unnecessary elements that do not have a positive impact on the user experience. Prioritize content over Chrome. Minimalistic products focus on the content and remove all unnecessary visual design detail. Honda website is an excellent example of minimalism. Many pages of the website are uh, centered around the particular product or idea, and these make it easier to prioritize information.
So our next is going to be the help and documentation. The weakness, the Honda website didn't provide offered help and support right inside the website. So the suggestion that we're going to for the weakness, which is the design of the website, get in touch was great, but the Honda website should add the provide offer to help the support the right inside the website so that the user can search what they are looking for at the website. So for example, in this like particular picture that there's no like search button or anything to that customer to search specific things they need in that particular website law. So next, the final point is going to be user control and the freedom. The weakness, the website didn't have support the undo or redo for operation. The suggestion for that is the website designer should add the undo action so that all users have ability to cancel their submit button if they are pressed by accidentally. So as you can see there, there's no undo. Once we submit, it's already sent. This is one of the example for insurance and road tax that in the particular website. That's it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.